Today's video is about how I made this cute outdoor candle using a Patron bottle. So if you would like to know how I did that, please keep watching. Hi, I'm Theresa Hughlett with BalancedFitLifestyles.com, and I created this channel to help you live a more healthy, balanced, and meaningful life. So if you're new to my channel, be sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell so that you can be notified when I put up my next video. So let's get on with how I made my candle. So here is what the candle looked like. So this is my Patron bottle. And what had happened was a few years ago, of course, I was drinking Patron, on the rocks or in with my margaritas. And then I would finish the bottle and I would just throw it away. And my husband said that he hated that I was throwing these bottles away because he thought they were really cool looking, and said, surely there's something else that we could do with these to, repurpose them. So I went on to Pinterest and started looking around, and there were all kinds of things that people do to, with these bottles. And one of them is to do this, is where you, put the oil in here and use it as a candle outside, which is great. So let me show you that really quick. So one of the things that this bottle actually, you can't see the top. I don't know if you can see that top very well, but how it fits inside really nicely. Well, that I used one of these. This is an Afterglow candle wick. And I found this at a grocery store, just kind of on an end cap with some other wine stuff. And so this works perfect. I just cut off what I don't need and just put it inside. You can also do this, which is what I had seen on Pinterest, where you take a washer, which is what I've done with this one. You take a washer like this. So you see the washer? I don't know if you can see that. Let me just grab you another one. Just take a washer and then you just slide it through here and it just fits on like this. I don't know if you can see that washer very well, but just put that washer right in there. So as you can see, it's not very secure. So I have an upstairs deck and a downstairs deck. The one that's downstairs is covered and it's screened in. So if it rains, I don't ever have to worry about that candle, water getting inside of it. Well, on the upstairs deck, if I didn't bring it in and left it outside, then water would get in it, and it just got to some point where it just wouldn't work anymore. And so that was a problem. It's like, darn it, we just really like these candles, and I tried to remember to take them in, but I couldn't remember. So Steve had this idea that we should just come up with some sort of a top to put over it, and we just always would have it over it whenever we aren't sitting outside. So we went to Lowe's, and Steve had this idea where, chain link fences, like you've got your post, and then this goes on top of that post. So we grabbed one of these, and I actually spray painted mine I spray painted it. So this is the one I made this one today. And then this is what I had that sat outside because my patio furniture is copper, or the patio furniture upstairs is. So I thought that looked really nice. And so today I wanted to make another one, and I painted it black. So you can paint it any color that you want to paint it. But this is what it looks like when you go to Lowe's. And actually, I don't even think you would even have to paint it if you didn't want to, especially with this tiki torch fuel is blue. And my other wasn't blue. I don't know. I thought it was more of a yellow color, but this was the tiki torch that I had put in it. And so I think it really looks nice with even just the, this steel look or the metal look. But you could, spray paint it in any color you want. But I would recommend, because it's really slick, just primering it, spray paint it with primer, which I have here. And just any kind of primer would work. And then just any color of spray paint, anything to match your furniture. And actually my patio furniture downstairs is black wicker. And it also has some blue. And when I poured out the tiki fuel, then I was like, oh, that looks really good. I really like that a lot. So you could do any color. And this keeps water from getting inside your Patron bottle. So this could work with any bottle. I mean, what is nice, I don't know, be any bottle, but what's nice is that it's now big, and so it just sets right on there. So it works perfect. So here's also, if you wanted to use the tiki, I think you can see these everywhere at like Walmart. You can use, use these. And this one is actually the Afterglow. I opened up another one. So I really like this. I like how that looks and how it really fits nice and snug, as to where the washer really was moving around a lot. but it would still work if you didn't want it, because this is actually $10, which is kind of expensive, when this is not. This was a few pennies, so you can see that, and then just slide that on. But it's pretty loose, which is okay, because I make it so that it's just pretty much the length and it just hits the bottom. So that's it. That is my Patron bottle, which you see those, but this I had never seen, where somebody, you know, figured out a way to keep the rain from getting inside. So I thought that was pretty cool, especially my husband's idea, so it was a great idea. So I hope that you guys think this was a great idea also, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.